Okay, so we're almost done there. We're almost ready to start doing our paper space things. I'm just going to tidy this up a bit. I'm going to put a few more things on here. We need some road markings, and I want some arrows going around this car park. So I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to go from, let's just go from here across to there. And this is a polyline. I'm going to go under modify, edit polyline. Okay, I'm going to click that, and I'm going to change the width. And remember, we're in meters, so I'm going to try 0.1. Width again. I'm going to try 0.2. Okay, so width 0.2. That's better. And then I'm going to offset. Let's offset 0.5. Okay. I'm going to. I'm just going to move this back a bit. Maybe there. I'm going to draw a line. Well, I'm going to trim it out first, just so I get an accurate midpoint. I'll trim these sides, and I can go from this midpoint here and with snap on perpendicular to there, which this will allow me to trim this out. And there we go. So this is going to be like a no entry. Now I'm in the UK. If you're somewhere else where you drive on the other side of the road, this is going to be mirrored, obviously. And also, as with everything, feel free to do what you want here. I mean, you could have whatever road markings you need. You don't need to copy me. I'm just going to do something like that. Yeah. So that will be no entry that way and entry that way. And that will do. And then probably it will be broken, something like that. That'll do. And we've got these markings here. We put these on a layer called parking space. I'm going to go layer manager. I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to call this road markings. And because I highlighted the parking space layer before I created new, it's copied the properties, so we've got the same color, which is what I wanted. Okay, and I'll put these on that layer. I want to do a leader, okay, which is an arrow. I just want to do what's called a quick leader, so it's not going to ask me for text and things. I don't want any text, I just want an arrow. So you can type in Q leader, which is quick leader. And I'm just going to draw this arrow just by eye. And it's going to be something like that. So this will be kind of a marking in the car park, and it's just going to tell people which way around to go. So let's copy that. Maybe have one. Again, you can set this out with midpoints and things and exact angles. I'm just doing this by eye. So I'm going to rotate this one. Move it into the center. And then I'm going to mirror this with that midpoint and rotate it. I'm going to click midpoint and type in 180. Okay. So we've got those arrows, then I'm going to mirror all three. I can use any of these lines and midpoints. And I'm going to rotate. Okay, it's only a road marking, so it's not critical. where you select the midpoints and things. There we go. So there on our road mark, our parking space. Okay, no, we want these on road markings, so I'll select all these and I'll put them on road markings. There. So that just tidies that up, makes it look a bit more realistic. Again, if you have it going around the other way or different road markings, entirely up to you. You might want to add some lettering saying in, out, whatever, it's up to you. But there we go. So that's give us some road markings now. So I will save that.